Nottage, and I'm a realtor in Sebastian, Florida.
And I'm Michael Nottage, and I'm also a realtor in Sebastian, Florida.
So we started dating my senior year, and then we went to a local state college for 2 years together and did our AA, and realized that we needed to kind of venture out of the small town of Sebastian. So we transferred to UCF together and moved to Orlando. And then after graduating, we realized that the traffic in the busy city wasn't all it's cracked up to be. So we went back home, and we missed the beach, and we missed our little town. So I started just looking up wedding bands and found Rustic and Main and saw that you could customize wedding bands, and so started looking into that. And then when I realized you could do them with bourbon barrels and the wood from those, I was like, that's perfect, that's right up his alley.
The materials I chose for the ring are Blanton's barrel and then also the white gold. My inspiration was making a ring that's unique to myself and something that portrays myself and our relationship. You can tell you guys genuinely care about the product you give and
what it's for.
And what it's for.